Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 FJ-09. This sport touring adventure style bike comes equipped with a lot of really nice upgrades, including a V-Stream touring windscreen. It's got ABS brakes, 3-cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. It's got GV engine guards, side cases, a Sargent custom saddle, hand guards. It comes with a tank bag. It's getting a brand new rear tire. This bike is in fantastic upgraded condition. We got it priced too low, $69.99. It should be higher. Don't miss out. Come by, check it out. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.